Hey everyone, if it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Ashley. If you are not new, welcome back. Today I have a bag review for you. This is by Andar and it is their brand new bag. It is the Addison. It is in full grain leather, super lightweight, affordable. Let me repeat that. Affordable leather bag, way under $300. It is a backpack which is fully adjustable. It will accommodate a lot of different types of shapes and forms. And it is just a stunning, beautiful bag. Nice, soft, waxed finish, bucket pockets, which make it really nice to pack. Hidden pockets in the back for your essentials like your phone or your wallet. So great for travel, and it's just a really nice, beautiful bag. It's sleek, it's stylish, it's timeless, it's stunning. So I'm going to show you how I have been packing it for my 1-month-old and myself, and I will try and add some on the body shots for you. I am 5'1.5" and I am 1 month postpartum, so show me some grace because everything is different. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. In this front pocket, which is actually really generous, you have YKK zippers, so they glide with their little tassels. I have most of my things. I think all of my things. I have this small set piece. This is by Jujubee, and this is my little kit. I have a hand sanitizer, some wet ones, and a mask. So I can just toss this in the front, and if I have to go anywhere, I just have this together, and it fits in there really nicely. And I also have my keys, which I attach to this wristlet, and I attach my wallet as well to it. And this is by Destiny Dover, and I have my keys and wristlet, and it fits in there perfectly. And that's everything I had in here, but it wasn't tight. You really couldn't see that I had those bulky items in there. It has a really nice grab handle at the top, super adjustable straps. I feel like I need to say that because I've actually tested other bags that aren't super adjustable, and I feel like not everyone can use them comfortably, and these are very adjustable. And they even have this little loop so that you can kind of just keep it to the setting that you want. The hardware is kind of like this brassy gold. It's not flashy, it's just really subtle and pretty. And right at the bottom you have their embossed logo, very subtle, and I think that's just classy when things are just very subtle, not in your face. I love that. And you have a back pocket right here that goes all the way across, and I should mention that all of the bag is lined with this really nice like microfiber felt, kind of feels like a felt pocket. It's just really nice and soft and smooth, and if you have things like your phone, they won't get scratched. So I have my phone in here. This is I forget always the name of it, but I think it's the iPhone 11 Max Pro, and I have a loopy case, and it fits in there really nicely. It has even more room to spare. And I actually did also put an extra face mask. This is by Relapack, so I have those two things just in case I'm with someone else and I just need to run real quick, and I just need these two things. If you hear something in the background, I apologize, but my 1-month-old has decided to join us. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in the interior of the main compartment, which is really roomy. It is surprising what fits in there. So I'm gonna show you that even a pretty substantial swaddle blanket, not a rinky-dink one. This is a really nice one. It's really big. It fits in there comfortably. I didn't have to struggle to shut it or open it. So a swaddle blanket right on top. And I will say it is a little bit hard to see in the bag, so I tried to use as much color as I could because the interior of the bag matches the outside, so it's obviously black. So I feel like this is a little bit better of a view. You can see the back zippered pocket and the two slit pockets sit up nice and high, so you can grab these things really easily. Things like my lip balm, my house key that is attached to a final straw, and I also have my mailbox key. And then over here I have this little travel fan that I love in case I get really hot or my baby starts to get overheated while nursing. Okay, and then in the back pocket, I keep little necessities like a pad and some breast pads because I am a nursing mom and I am a month postpartum. So you just never know. And then I tried to use color like this pouch. This is by Jujubee. It is a Be Quick, and it's a Disney collab. It's beautiful. And I actually am able to fit 5 diapers, 2 packs of wet wipes, a little strap that comes with this bag, a change pad, and in the back I have some little travel Aquaphor in case she would need it. I also am supposed to refill this with some trash bags, but I keep forgetting. So that's in this bag, and it fits like vertically perfectly. Okay, and then right in front of that bag, I have a burp cloth because, again, nursing mom. And then at the bottom, I have a extra passy inside of a little clear container. I also have a travel sound machine. This is gold if you have a little baby because you can just put it in the car seat and it just helps them soothe and fall asleep. And then I have another little accessory bag by Jujubee. This is part of a trio set. It's called the B set, and this is the medium. And in here I just have an extra onesie for my daughter, as well as a little wet bag in case she were to have a blowout. So that is everything I had. I know that it's a little bit difficult to see because it is black, but because I have everything so perfectly organized, it's just easy to just reach in and grab what I need. It actually fits a 13-inch laptop perfectly. I will grab mine just so you can see. So if you wanted to use this as maybe like a work bag, you could add your laptop, which look at the little space. It has a good like 1.5 inches of room. And I can add also my planner, a little pouch with pens, also a little pouch with my charger. So that fits really nicely in this bag, as well as, you know, I could keep all of my things in the front like I did before, and I could even maybe add a little cardigan if I had one, but in place of that, I will just show you that the swaddle still fits. So if I needed like a little cardigan, I can just add it. It's so perfect. I love this bag. So that is it for this packing video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I think that this is a wonderful bag, and I want to thank Andar for sending it to me because it's just beautiful and timeless, and it's way up my alley. I think that this makes a beautiful purse, a work bag, a very minimalistic diaper bag if you, like myself, are out and about with quick trips with your little babies. So yeah, I hope that you found this super helpful. If you did, show me with a thumbs up. Let's thank Andar for sending this bag for a review. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed and like this type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.